Hello everybody, this is Mayank Kumar. I'm currently pursuing my MBA from IIM Sirmaur. Today I'm gonna tell you about some top business news as on 10th January 2026. If I talk about Chinese copper industry, Chinese copper demand plummets. China's significant reduction in copper purchases signals a slowdown in industrial growth and construction activity, raising concerns about future copper prices and the potential impact on global markets. Let me tell you one fact that China is the biggest consumer of copper. So if they will not be demanding, then the copper prices will be suddenly go down. If I talk about the Amazon, they Amazon Pharmacy expand Wegovy access. I hope I am pronouncing it right. Amazon Pharmacy enhances its healthcare offering by now providing the FDA approval oral Wegovy pill. This expansion improves access to a vital weight management drug available through insurance and direct payment options. So right now, basically, what Amazon is doing, they are providing the weight reducing pills. So it will be a competition in the healthcare industry as well. Amazon is having a huge fund that they can invest in the research and development that will be beneficial for the humankind, and it will create a competition for the healthcare industry as there are multiple existing players are there, but Amazon will be doing something new as they have started giving the weight reducing pills. So, if we talk about Saks Fifth Avenue bankruptcy news is coming. So, Saks Fifth Avenue is facing a significant financial stress and is preparing for potential Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing. This reflects the challenging luxury retail environment amidst weak demand and high operation costs. They are not able to recover the cost that they have invested, so they have they are gone for the bankruptcy. If we talk about the Indian market right now, they are showing cautious trends. So the Indian market represented by Sensex, which comprises of 30 stocks, and Nifty, which comprises of 50 stocks, have seen a slightly decline, reflecting cautious investor sentiment as mixed corporate earnings are anticipated in quartile three. Yet growth expectations remain strong. So what right now happening is we are currently in a unstable environment, unstable global environment as USA is attacking Venezuela and he's planning for attacking Greenland. So we can sense some kind of instability throughout the global channels, and it's not something stable currently. So that's the reason, and as India is also a major part of this conflict, as they India is purchasing oil from Russia. So what America wants to do is they want to impose around 500% tariff and taxes on India and China. So that's the reason Indian markets are not showing good results. So they are impacting the Indian markets as well. That's why Sensex and Nifty shows a continuous decline as of now. And India reduces US Treasury holdings. India has cut its US Treasury holding by approximately 21% in 2025, aiming to diversify its foreign exchange reserves and reduce dependency on US assets amidst growing global financial uncertainty. So, as India is also doing the very good step as India wants to diversify its foreign funds. Not just they will not just want to invest in foreign in US market, but wants to diversify in other countries as well. As USA is going for the war, definitely they will require a huge sum of money to fund that war. That would be very problematic. So India don't want that. If they are investing in a single country, then there is a huge risk that their our fund got get losses. So that's the reason India want to invest in some other countries so that further in the diversification. It's just suppose if the US goes for a war or something happened, so only the part of our investment will be lost, not the all of it. So that's why India want to diversify the fund of India. If you talk about Vodafone Idea share prices, Vodafone Idea share prices surged as Vodafone Idea's share prices have significantly increased following the relief on AGR dues and reduction of the payments, which has improved cash flow and enhanced investor confidence in the telecom sector. As we know that they have faced some of the serious issues from the telecom regulator TRAI and the Supreme Court. They were heavily fined, so right now they are getting some relief in terms of AGR dues, and there have also restriction of the payments also being done. So kind of a settlement being done by from the government as and from the Vodafone Ideas uh, point of view. So that's the reason their prices is being sourced right now, and they'll be, and kind of a positive impact is being shown. If we talk about the credit card concern, so proposed US credit card interest rate cap. So there is a cap being introduced. A new proposal aims to limit credit card interest rate to 10% for 1 year, potentially easing financial burden on consumer and encouraging increased spending amidst economic uncertainty and rising inflation. So that's it. Thank you so much. I hope you like the business news, and I will be coming tomorrow as well for the tomorrow's business news. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.